Good evening, one and everyone. Audio, video clear? Welcome all of you to this live session on the topic Venn diagrams. Before starting, just informing all of you, we are starting a full-length complete course for CSIR-NET exam in the Unacademy profile. My profile you can see in the CSIR-UGC NET category of Unacademy. So this is the detail of the new course we are starting in Unacademy profile, complete course on CSIR-NET General Aptitude. It's a full-length topic-wise course. Complete theory of CSIR-NET part A will be discussed. Previous year questions and practice questions topic-wise will be discussed, and there will be sessions on shortcut methods, tips and tricks. And the timing will be 8:30 AM to 10 AM live course timing from February 2nd onwards. And the referral code to access this course is CC10 to access this plus course. And also there is another course running in the Unacademy platform, that is a revision course on most important general aptitude concept for CSIR and GATE. That is at 2 PM. With the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can access these two courses. And one more information, for today and tomorrow, Unacademy is giving a special offer for your Unacademy Plus subscription. January 30th and 31st. It's a 20% off instead of 10% off. If you use the referral code CC10, you can get the subscription at 20% off. And not only these classes, all the courses of all the educators you can access by a single subscription of Unacademy Plus with the referral code in the CSIR-UGC NET category. And please invite all your friends. I'm waiting for more people to join. So make use of this opportunity also. If you are attending my Unacademy Plus courses, you can make use of this opportunity. And our free YouTube course will continue at 6 PM. So let us start today's session. Venn diagram is the topic we are discussing today. Venn diagram is an extension of data interpretation. Yeah, yesterday I was planning to take one more session on data interpretation, but due to health issues, I didn't take yesterday. So today we will start the next topic, Venn diagrams, data interpretation. More practice you can get from my previous free classes on data interpretation. You can search online to get more data interpretation free classes I have given till now in YouTube channel, in this channel and in the Unacademy channel. Okay, so let us start today's session. For the new students, this is the bio of me, and these are the resources I provide: Telegram channel, Telegram group and WhatsApp group, where you can get more free resources, and daily update of my classes you will get from these three resources. So you can be part of any of those resources, and you can download the mobile application Christy's classes to get daily updates also, and the materials available there also you can make use of. In Google Play Store you can get it. And my daily free classes in Unacademy platform, tomorrow 11 AM calendar problem for GATE exam and NET exam we will be discussing in the Unacademy special class profile. In the description of this video you can get the details of that also. So here you can see the details of my daily free classes in Unacademy platform also. And these are the books I have written for general aptitude, and this is the current bestseller book for part A section for CSIR-NET exam. Okay, so I think more people will join in between. Anyway, we will start. Make sure all of you have invited all your friends who are preparing for any stream of GATE exam, any engineering stream, any pure science stream who is preparing for GATE exam are welcome to attend today's session. So today's topic is Venn diagram. So first of all, how to draw a Venn diagram, just an idea. So yeah, you all know what is a Venn diagram, right? These are few steps to draw a Venn diagram. I'm sure all of you know these things, so I don't have to explain each step as you are already familiar. Identify the elements in the question. For example, if the question says number of coffee drinking people, number of tea drinking people. So the elements will be coffee drinking people and tea drinking people. Identify the categories you have to put it into. So there are three categories there you can, or four category we can say: coffee only drinking, tea only drinking, coffee and tea drinking, coffee and tea not drinking people, four category. And then list out the items that fall into both category, each category, neither category. Draw universal set. Universal set we can represent by a rectangle. Mark number of elements in the universal set. Draw circles corresponding to each category. So that's a simple process you normally already do for drawing Venn diagram and identifying Venn diagram. So with questions we will explain more. So this was the GATE 2021 problem. So this chapter Venn diagram even if the chapter name is Venn diagram, some questions, even if you don't draw Venn diagram, it is up to you. All these questions can be solved with the Venn diagram. Without Venn diagram, if you want to solve, that also is possible. After practicing few questions by drawing Venn diagram, the Venn diagram picture will be in the mind, and without drawing it in the paper also you can do many of the questions. So make a try, all of you. All of you try it and post your answer in the chat. Okay, some of you already got it right. Wonderful. Okay, so I will start explaining. Very simple question. In a company, 35% of the employees drink coffee, 40% of the employees drink tea, and 10% of the employees drink both tea and coffee. What percent of the employees drink neither tea nor coffee? So first, anyway, let us represent this data as a Venn diagram itself. So the elements are coffee and tea and total people. As the question is saying percentage, it is easy. We can say that universal set of 100%. 100%. In that 100%, 35% employees drink coffee. So coffee circle, if I am denoting this, 35% is coffee. N of coffee will be 35. And 40% employee drink tea. So tea will be 40%. And 10% employee drink both tea and coffee. That will be in the intersection part. Now, all of you are familiar with this. Yeah, basic set theory idea here also you need. In permutation combination chapter and probability chapter also, the set theory idea we were extending. Same idea is needed here also. So 10% will be coffee and tea. What percent of the employees drink neither tea nor coffee? So this is what you need. Outside coffee and tea, X percentage. That X is what you need to find. If the required percentage I'm assuming as X. So how you can find it? So this is total 35% coffee. In that 10% is coffee and tea, or coffee intersection tea we can say. So definitely 35 minus 10, 25% drink coffee only. 25% drink coffee only. Similarly, 40% tea, that in that 10% is tea and coffee. So tea only drinking people will be 30% only. Now, if you categorize, there are three categories of people. No drink drinking people, one drink drinking people, two drink drinking people. Like in probability or permutation combination, we have listed out what all can happen. Here also we can do that basic set theory. So no drink, one drink, two drink. So no drink is what you need to find. This is our X. So one drink drinking people, exactly one drink drinking people, that is what we need. That is coffee only and tea only. That is 25% plus 30%. That is 55% drink, exactly one drink. And both drink or two drink drinking people is 10% directly given. Adding all these up, you should get 100% now. because it is written in percentage, so you already know total is going to be 100%. So from 100%, if you subtract these two, you will get X value, that is 100 minus 65, 55 plus 10 is 65, will be equal to the answer, that is 35%. So option C, 35% is the answer. Latest GATE exam problem 2021, this was asked. Please respond whether this is clear to all of you. Very simple idea, na? But as I told, once you practice, just as it is a first question, I was explaining in detail everything. Once you understood it, you don't have to write all these things. Even this Venn diagram also can be avoided. Once you understand this concept, how it can be avoided? When you see 35%, you understand that this 10% is repeated in 35 and 40. So you just add 35 plus 40, 75. In that 75, 10% is repetition, or A intersection B. You can subtract A intersection B. Yeah, the union formula also you can use. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Once you understood the logic of union formula, that using also is not a problem. So definitely 75% minus 10% is 65%. What is that 65%? That is at least one drink drinking people. At least one drink drinking people is 65%, means remaining 35% will be no drink drinking people. Na? Because no drink, at least one drink. These two should make 100%. So that way you can easily understand, by practicing Venn diagrams more, you can actually avoid drawing Venn diagram in some questions at least. Hope that is clear. Then this kind of question was asked in multiple exams. So look at this. GATE 2016, the same idea was asked. Make a try. Any answers? Okay, some of you got it right already. Very simple question, just like previous question, but what they are asking finally is little different, that's all. And in the previous question it was percentage, so we know that total is 100%. Here it is not percentage, this is number of people, so the total should be given. That is why they have given 150 as the total faculty members. So the universal set have 150 elements in it. 55 are connected each other through Facebook. So Facebook 55 people totally. Like in previous question, coffee and tea. Here it is Facebook and WhatsApp. So, and WhatsApp by 85 people. 85 people by WhatsApp. 30 faculty members do not have Facebook or WhatsApp. That means outside these two circles, there is 30 faculty members. That is not using Facebook. So no social media using people is 30. Then the number of faculty is connected only through Facebook. So this is what you need to find. This Facebook only. Facebook only you can find if you find this intersection partner, both WhatsApp and Facebook, and subtract that from 55, you will get this X. So that is what we can try here. So here also let us understand three group of people. No social media using people, one social media using people, both social media using people. Total together is 150 people. No social media using people is directly given 30. One social media, yeah, I will explain this direct method, then I will tell you the shortcut method like in the previous question. So 55 minus X will be Facebook only using people, 55 minus X. And WhatsApp only using people will be, sorry, I will take, okay, sorry, that is not X. I will take both as X, that will be better. I will take both social media using people as X, but that is not what we need finally. So 55 minus X, Facebook only using people, and WhatsApp only using people will be 85 minus X. And both social media using people is X as we assumed. Now adding this up, you will get 150 and simplify that. That is one way of doing it. But as I told, that is little more time consuming. Anyway, we'll do that way first. So 55 and 85 added, it will be 140. 140 minus 2x. 140 minus 2x plus x equal to 150. So minus 2x plus x will become minus x. This is 170. 170 minus x taken to the other side. 170 minus 150 equal to x. That is x is equal to 20. So we got this is equal to 20. If this is 20, what you can say about Facebook only? This is 20 means intersection part is 20. Facebook and WhatsApp using people is 20. We need Facebook only using people, only through Facebook. That will be 55 minus 20. 35 will be the answer. Option A, 35. Okay, now how we can speed up? I just explained this systematically so that you get an idea what are the things or what are the different elements. But once you understood this concept, you can do this faster. How you can do it faster? You just have to look 55 Facebook, 85 WhatsApp and 30. So when you add it up, if the intersection is empty, if these are disjoint sets, definitely 55 plus 85 plus 30 will be equal to 150, isn't it? That is Facebook using people, WhatsApp using people, no social media using people will be equal, adding up to 150. If there were no both using people, these two will add up to 150 now. But let us see whether it is adding up to 150. 55 plus 85 is what? 140. This is adding 30 to that is what? 170. But total 150 people only are there. But when you are adding up, you are getting 170 people. What does that mean? In the repetition part, there are values. How much? 170 you got some, but total 150 people only are there. So that 170 minus 150, 20 will be this intersection part. So getting this 20 can be directly done like that way. Are you all understanding that? So WhatsApp and Facebook using people is 20. We can find how 55 plus 85, 140 plus 30, 170. But total 150 people only are there. So that 20 people are the people who we counted twice. Where we counted twice, this intersection is the portion where we have counted twice. So we can say that Facebook and WhatsApp using people is 20. 170 minus 150, 20. Then once you got that is 20, this is 35. Directly you can do that. All these writing can be avoided, but this concept should be clear. What are the things so that any question, whatever twisted question comes, you can do it clearly. Hope this is clear to all of you. So if that is clear, let us go to another question. try this GATE 2020 problem, all of you. First, we are discussing two circle involved or two element involved question, and then we will go to three element involved questions. Okay, second method is easy. Okay, Dipanvida. Yeah, first method or second method. Actually, practice with first method so that you will be able to do second method easily. That is what you can do here. Okay, some of you already got it right, so I'll explain. In a school of 1000 students, 300 students play chess and 600 students play football. If the 50 students play both chess and football, the number of students who play neither. So let us understand this with the Venn diagram. The total 1000 students are there. So in the universal set, 1000 people are there. Chess is played by 300 people. Football is played by 600 people. If 50 students play both chess and football, so this is 50. The number of students play neither. So this is our required unknown X. That is no spot, one spot, two spot. We need no spot playing people. So here everything is obvious. No uncertainty at all. So 350 is subtracted. Cricket only people will be 250. Football only people will be 550. So we can say one spot playing people will be 250 plus 550. 250 plus 550 is 800. And both spot playing people will be 50. And adding it up, you should get total 1000 people given in the question. So 800 plus 150, 850 plus what is 1000 plus 150 is 1000. So 150 is our required answer. Is that clear to all of you how option B? Once you understood that point clearly, you can do it without this calculation also. How you can do without the calculation? 300 people, 600 people. 300 plus 600, 900 people. But in that 900, there is a repetition. How much repetition? 50 is repeated. So the unique number of people is 900 minus 50, 850. So the remaining will be no spots playing people. Na? Out of 1000, 850 remaining is 150. Directly you can get 150. Are you getting the point? Making sure that even if you are not getting second method, the first method should be clear. That is why I'm showing the first method also for each of it. Both are same method, but second method, instead of writing or instead of listing all those up and instead of writing each of the steps, we are thinking in our mind. So hope that is clear. And let's go to another question. Yeah, try this GATE 2010 problem. All of you try. Very good. Most of you got option D is the correct answer. Let's see. Those of you who have doubt, listen very carefully. So just like previous question, 25 persons are in the room. So total number is 25. 15 of them play hockey. So hockey playing people is 15. 17 of them play football. So football playing people is 17. And 10 of them play both hockey and football. So 10 is in the intersection part. And total number of people is 25. Then the number of persons playing neither hockey nor football. Just the same question as before. So now I'm not repeating the first method. So hockey plus football total, how many people are there? 32 people are there. 32 people, but 10 people are repetition. 10 people are coming in both the sets. So the unique number of people who are playing at least one game, hockey or football, at least one game will be 15 plus 17, 32 minus 10, 22. But total people are 25. 3 people are remaining. Now where should that 3 people come? This here should be the 3 people, and that is what the question is asking. Neither hockey nor football. 3. As we have repeated many times, now I have directly gone to the second method. Hope that is clear to all of you. Is it clear, all of you? If that is clear, let's go to another question. Let us now go for 3 object question, where 3 objects are there. How to deal them? All of you try this. Till now all the questions, all the previous year questions were having only 2 objects. Now here 3 objects are there. Make a try. Okay, different answers. All of you try it carefully. Yeah, when 3 objects comes, the toughness increases a bit, but the logic is all the same. The union part, intersection part, you should identify clearly. Or just list it out. What are the kind of people here? Only one film attending people. All 3 attending people. So what are the kind of people? You can list it out and then find it easily. This Venn diagram I am giving this Venn diagram I am giving this much importance because Venn diagram is needed for a reasoning chapter also, especially logical syllogism chapter. Logical syllogism chapter, your skills of Venn diagram is needed. Tomorrow I will be discussing logical syllogism at 6 p.m. so that this ideas you got from Venn diagram can be used there. This is a quantitative aptitude chapter where numbers you have to deal with. But that is a chapter, logical syllogism is a reasoning chapter where Venn diagram is needed. So anyway, I will explain this. Very less number of people got this right. So I will elaborate this. Just a minute. 40 students watches film A, B, C over a week. Each student watched either only one film or all 3. Read this sentence very carefully. Either only one film or all the 3 films they have watched. That means 2 film watching people is 0. So in the Venn diagram, if there are 3 elements, here there are 3 elements. A film watching people, B film watching people, C film watching people. Total universal set is 40. It is given total 40 students. So each student watched either only one film. That means either only one film or all 3 film means this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Did you all understood that? This is what? A film and B film only watching people. But there is no people who watch 2 film only. Either they watch all the 3 film. That is this. We want to find that. How many students watched all the 3 films? So this is our required unknown X. So either they watched all the 3 film or they watch exactly one film. So I will call that as PQR. P is the number of people who watched A film only. Q is the number of people who watched B film only. R is the number of people who watched C film only. So only one film, all 3 film, there is only that many, that are the category of people. No film watching people is also 0. So this is also 0. Like we discussed in previous question, this part you know what? Which is not part of any of this. No set involved people, that is 0. So now let us understand. 13 students watch film A. So A is equal to 13. And 16 students watch film B. 16 watch film B. And 19 students watch film C. 19 watch film C. How many students watch all 3 films? So first I will show you the direct method. Then I will show you the shortcut method. So this 13 people who watched A film can be categorized into two set of people. Only A watching people, only A film watching people, and all 3 film watching people, because A and B watching people and A and C only watching people are 0. So, or we can say this circle P plus 0 plus X plus 0 will be 13. So the first equation you can write is P plus X is equal to 13. Are you all clear with that equation? P plus X is equal to 13. Similarly, second equation you can form from the second circle, B circle. This 16 is equal to 0 plus Q plus 0 plus X, or we can say Q plus X is equal to 16. Second equation. And the third equation we can derive from this C is equal to 19, that is X plus 0 plus R plus 0. This third circle sum will be equal to 19. That is R plus X is equal to 19. Did you all understood this much? So now we need to find the value of X. So for finding the value of X, these 3 equations are not enough because there are still 4 unknowns and 3 equations. So we need to form one more equation with respect to this 40. This 40 will be equal to, what we can say about this 40? This P plus Q plus R plus X. Are you all understanding that? The 40 will be equal to P plus Q plus R plus X, because all the rest are 0. All the rest are 0. So P plus Q plus all these separate elements added up will be 40, because that is the total number of students. These are all the distinct sets, disjoint sets we can say. So we can say P plus Q plus R plus X is equal to 40. That is what you call union formula and all. But I don't want to complicate things with union formula. N of A plus N of B plus N of C plus N of A intersection B plus N of A intersection C plus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection B intersection C. That idea is forming this equation. But logically understand it. That is better. So did you understand the fourth equation? Now you just have to solve these 4 equations to get the answer. How you can solve these 4 equations? The easy way is the first equation, second equation, third equation you can add up. First plus second plus third you add, and then simplify it with 4. First plus second plus third, if you add up, you will get P plus Q plus R plus 3X equal to 13 plus 16 plus 19. 13 plus 16 plus 19 will be what? 13, 19, 32, 48. Now look at this. this you can write as equation 5. Equation 5 and equation 4, you subtract it because p plus q plus r we don't want. We want x only. So 5 minus 4, equation 5 minus equation 4, you will get 3x minus x, 2x equal to 8. 2x equal to 8 means x is equal to 4. X is what you need to find. All 3 sports playing people, sorry, all 3 films watching people, that will be equal to 4. Did you all understood this? This is the direct method of doing this. Direct method without much equation. Okay, fourth equation, some of you are doubt, I will explain. Fourth equation is very simple. Just like previous questions, I will write it down then. What are the category of people which constitute this 40 students? No film watching people, 1 film watching people, 2 film watching people, and 3 film watching people are also there because here there are 3 objects. These all added up will give you 40. Na? Connect it with the previous question, then you will get clarity. Those of you didn't understand the fourth equation, listen here. No film watching people will be how much? 0. Because question clearly says only 1 film or all 3 film. 1 film watching people will be how much? That is this p plus q plus r. Na? P plus q plus r. 2 film watching people, this says that there is no 2 film watching people. 3 film watching people, that is what we assumed as x. Now adding all these up, you should get 40. Na? That is what I have written, p plus q plus r plus x equal to 40. Please respond now. Is this clear? Fourth equation, is it clear now? Now fifth equation is what? First 3 equations added up. When you add first 3 equation, left hand side you add p plus q plus r plus x plus x plus x. X plus x plus x is 3x. And right hand side you add up, you will get 48. Now fourth equation and fifth equation you subtract, you get the answer. Please respond all of you whether this is clear or not. If this is clear, let us improvise the solution. Let us improvise the solution, and with minimum writing we will try to find the answer. How you can do that? Okay, listen here. So I will just draw the Venn diagram once again for a logical solution. So total is 40 people, and we know that this is 0 and this is p, this is q, this is r, we have assumed, and a is 13, b is 16, and c is 19, and this is our required unknown, sorry, this is our required unknown x. All these 3 are 0. Okay, now I will tell you the logical method, how to avoid the writing of that 4 equations or 5 equations. Just like previous questions, a second method is applicable here also. Be careful, that's all. So first you think about a set, A film watching, B film watching, C film watching people. If you add up what you are getting, 13 plus 16 plus 19, 13 plus 16 plus 19, when you add it up, you are getting 48 people. But total there are only 40 people. Only 40 students are there totally. Then why you are getting this 48 people? Because you have counted many people twice. You have counted many people twice. Then you have to investigate which people you may have counted twice. Which people you may have counted twice. This you have counted only once. This you have only counted once. This you have counted only once. But this x is counted in all the 3 sets. That is a mistake. Na? Are you understanding the mistake? 48 is what you get if you add all these 3 sets, but 40 is what you are supposed to get. That means there is an extra of 8 people. That 8 people is because you counted this part of the Venn diagram 3 times instead of 1 time. You should count it once, but you have counted it 3 times. So this extra 8 is the 2 extra counting value. Na? 2x will be 8. Are you understanding that point? 2x will be 8. 3 times x you have counted, but 1 time x is supposed to be there. Because all the three film watching people we need to count once. But you have counted thrice, 3 times. 2 times you have counted extra. That is corresponding to this 8. Na? So 2x is 8, x is equal to 4. Super easy. Na? And that is the answer. That is a logical solution. Some of you may have done this way also, and this is perfectly correct. But please let me know whether this is clear or not. This idea is what you need to do. The further questions, which is little more complicated than this. Bigger numbers will be there. Same idea itself you have to use. Okay, if that is clear, then let's go to the next question. Okay, let's go for a simple question where Venn diagram is given so that you get practice of identifying the elements. Try it carefully. GATE 2016 problem. 1 minute I will give. Okay, some of you got it. Yes, Gonu. Second method saves a lot of time. And those of you are attending the session, if you feel that the session is useful, please hit the like button and share it to maximum people. Invite your friends, and this will be available in this channel as recording. So share it to your friends who want to watch. Let us try to build a bigger community. These sessions I am taking after my regular three sessions daily of 1.5 hours. I'm trying to give you extra time for these free classes. So make sure this is spread to more and more people. Okay, so I will explain this question. Listen carefully. Many of you got it right. The Venn diagram shows the preference of the student population for leisure activities. Read books, watch TV, play sports are the three objects. From the data given, the number of students who like to read books or play sports. You should understand it clearly. Read books or play sports. That means if they read books only also it's fine. If they play sports only also is fine. If they do both also it is fine. If they do something else along with read books or play sports also is fine. All are fine. Are you understanding? The word or is so flexible a term we can say. If it was and, it clearly means read books and play sports. Both together doing people we need. This is or, so we can say, let us take each category and think whether they should be included or not. First, let us think about this category. This is reading books only people. Should they be included? Yes, they read books now. Whether they don't play sports, that is not our concern. If they read books or play sports, you can include them. So that 13 should be counted. What about this 19? They watch TV only. They don't read books also. They don't play sports also. They should not be counted. They should not be counted because read books or play sports only we need. What about this 15? Yes, they play sports. They come under this category. So read books or play sports. So 15 should be counted. So only one thing doing people, 13 and 15 should be counted. Now both doing people let us think about. What about this group of people? They read books and watch TV. Whether they watch TV, that is not our problem. They read books now. So definitely that 12 should be counted. What about this 44? They read books also, they play sports also. Yeah, that is double. That is okay. Read books or play sports. They do both. So still that is okay. They should be counted. What about this 17? They play sports and watch TV. They play sports now. Due to that, they should be included. whether they watch TV, that is not our concern. So that 17 also should be counted. Now the only thing remaining is all the 3 doing people, 7 people. Should they be counted? Obviously yes. Why they should be counted? Because they read books and play sports. Now they watch extra TV, that is not a problem. So you need to add all these things up. When you add all these things up, you will get 108 as the answer. Did you all understand? That the only group of people that is not included is watching TV only people. All the rest should be included. The union of read books and play sports. Or means union and means intersection. So union of read books and play sports is what you need. Set theory terms if we tell. Is that clear? As I told, I don't believe in writing A in union B, A intersection B, way and teaching, because that will confuse a non-mathematical background student. Even if writing it and explaining it is easy, at the time of exam, it may take extra time to write those steps. That is why it's better to avoid that. Concept you understand. Union intersection you should use only if with the concept you cannot do. You need the help of the formula. And otherwise, don't use formula. Use the idea behind the formula. That is much better. So hope that is clear. Then let's go to the next question. Yeah, this is kind of a Venn diagram. Make a try. GATE 2019 problem. Make a try, all of you. Okay, so start explaining. In the given diagram, teachers are represented in the triangle. That means the 70 is also teachers, this 10 is also teachers. So total teachers are 80 in number. That is the idea. Understand that clearly. The 70 is not written outside. The 70 is written inside. Similarly, administrators are 10 plus 20 plus 20. That is 50 administrators are there. And researchers are 20 plus 40. 60 researchers are there. Keep that in mind. Now, out of the total number of people, the percentage of administrators shall be in the range of. So, total number of people will be, all these are distinct sets. You should understand that way. This part is a distinct set. This is another one. This is another one. This is another one. And this is another one. You should understand that way. That is why I told you this is not exactly like the Venn diagram we have discussed before. What is given in the question, you should understand that way. Triangle represent teachers. So everything inside triangle are teachers. So this is teachers only people. This is teachers and administrator people. This is administrators only. This is researchers and administrators people. And this is researchers only. So total number of people will be 70 plus 10 plus 20 plus 20 plus 40. That is 80, 100, 120, 160. So total 160 people are there. Out of the total number of people, percentage of administrators. Administrators number will be what? Administrators number will be 10 plus 20 plus 20. The total sum of values inside the rectangle. 10 plus 20 plus 20 is 50. So 50 by 160 into 100 is the required percentage. 50 by 100 into 160 into 100 means, if you know mental math, you can do it even faster. So 500 by 16. 500 by 16 is going to be, when you simplify, you will get almost 31.25, 31 something. 31 something, that is between 31 to 45. It will cross 31. Yeah, divide it yourself and find it. 500 by 16, that is 250 by 8, that is 125 by 4. 120 by 4 is 30, 125 by 4 is 31.25 exactly. 31.25 percentage exactly. That have crossed 31, that only we need. So 31 to 45 is the answer. Is this clear? Exactly, Surabhi. Hope all of you understood this. Simple question only. It's all about understanding the picture correctly. That's why I told you, Venn diagram you should clearly understand, so that whatever way they twist it, you can do it. So try this question, GATE 2019 problem. Okay, different answers. Let's see which is correct. Few of you only got any answers. I think I will draw the Venn diagram first to make you understand. In a sports academy of 300 people, 105 play cricket. So cricket played by 105 people. So total number of people are 300. So universal set is 300. 70 play only hockey. Sorry, only cricket is 105. So cricket total is not 105. Only cricket, only hockey and only football. So only cricket is 105. So this is 105. 70 play only hockey. This is 70. And 50 play only football. So this is 50. 25 play both cricket and hockey. Yeah, there you should be very careful. It is not saying 25 play only cricket and hockey. It is saying both cricket and hockey. Both cricket and hockey means this full set, even this intersection part is also included there. Understand that way. Otherwise they will say they play only cricket and hockey. So not 25%, 25 people. 15 play both hockey and football. Hockey and football. This intersection part is 15. And 30 play both cricket and football. So this intersection part is 30. The rest of them play all three sports. So all three sports is played by the rest of them. So question is, so all three sports we don't know what is the number. 1 second, just a minute. Okay. Yeah, here actually there is a slight ambiguity. Here the 25 play both cricket and hockey means they play actually hockey and football only. By adding it up, you get that idea. Because otherwise they cannot say rest of them play all three sports. So yeah, my mistake. I will just correct it. What I told, this 25 should be here. Cricket and hockey only playing people is 25. 15 play both means this part is 15, not this. And 30 play cricket and football means this is 30. Did you all understand this much? And this remaining will be x. Remaining will be x means you can find the remaining how? 100, 70, 50 you add. One game playing people will be 105 plus 70 plus 50. 105 plus 70 plus 50. That is 225. 225 people. 2 game playing people. 2 game playing people will be equal to 25 plus 30 plus 15. Are you understanding? Both hockey and football, both cricket and football, and both cricket, hockey and football. So 25 plus 13, 30 plus 15, that will be equal to 50, 70. And 3 game playing people. The remaining will be 3 game playing people. So you can add it up and equate it to total 300. So 300 minus 225 minus 70. So 5 people play all 3 games. Did you all understood that? 5 people play all 3 games. One second, let me just check. Okay. Sorry. There is a confusion there. Yeah, this is fine. You can do this way, or I will tell you the shortcut. First, we will do this systematic way itself. So the rest play all 3 spots. That is why 300 minus 225 minus 70 will be 5. Now, what is the question? What is the percentage of people who play at least 2 sports? At least 2 sports playing people is what you need. Come se come those sports playing people. At least 2 sports means 2 sports or 3 sports. So 70 plus 5, 75 is what you need. Out of total is 300. So 75 by 300 into 100. That will definitely be 25%. Now. So 25% is the answer. Did you understand this long method? Then we will discuss the short method. Exactly, Gautam. We can do that way. So just to familiarize this Venn diagram, this method you can note down. But we can do it fast. How? Here the complement approach you can do right away. The complement approach you can do right away. Percentage of people who play at least 2 sports is what you need. At least 2 sports means we need these 2. So exactly 1 sport is the only thing we don't need out of 300. So without any Venn diagram, we can directly say, once you understood that, one spot playing people, exactly one spot playing people is 105 plus 70 plus 50, that is 225. We can clearly see that we need the people who play at least 2 spots. At least 2 spots means 2 spots or 3 spots. 2 spots or 3 spots. So from total 300, if you directly subtract this 225, that will be equal to this sum. Na? Don't separately find 2 spots playing, 3 spots playing. 300 minus 225, this will be 75. Yeah, only when you read the last part of the question, we understand that that is what you need to find. At least 2 spots. So 300 minus 225 directly, this is 75. That 75 out of 300 you just have to find. That is 1/4. 1/4 is 25%. Is this clear, all of you? Please respond. Okay, Shweta. Sudha, I didn't understand. Take these two value, not 225. We don't need 225 because we need kam se kam those spots playing people. One spot playing is not included in that. Na? Minimum 2 spot playing people only we need. That is, 1 spot playing people we don't need. We need the other 2. So hope all of you understood this. So if that is clear, let's go to the next question. Okay, it's already 7:10. This is very similar to previous question. Make a try super fast. With this question, I think we can conclude. There is 2-3 questions I will give us homework. Very similar to this itself. Make a try super fast. Okay. I hope all of you at least read the question. So I will start explaining due to lack of time. So in a college, there are 3 student clubs. 60 students are only in the drama club. So 3 objects are there. So total number of students are also not given, right? So 60 students are only in drama club. Drama DR we will denote, dance by DN and math by MA. So drama club, 60 students are only in drama club. So this is 60. 80 students are only in dance club. This is 80. And 30 students are only in math club. So this is 30. 40 students are in both drama and dance club. So yeah, just like previous question, both drama and dance, that is why we can denote it here. And 12 students are in both dance and math. Dance and math both will be 12 students. And 7 students are in both drama and maths. Drama and maths, 7 students are. And 2 students are in all 3 clubs. So this is 2. Everything is written. Everything is written. So there is no unknown in this circles at all. So now what is unknown? If 75% of the students are in the college are not in any of the clubs. So 75% if total number of students is X. 75% of X is the number of people who are not in any of the clubs. So outside all the circles. So if you want to systematically write it down, we can say just like how we proceeded from the first questions. No club only people will be 75% of X. One club only people will be 60 plus 80 plus 30. Now due to lack of time, I am directly writing that 60, 80, 140 plus 30, 170 people. And two club only people will be how much? 40 plus 7 plus 12. 40 plus 7 plus 12. 52 plus 7, 59. And all three club involving people is 2 people. Adding all these up, you should get X now. So simplify this for the value of X. 75% plus 170, 75% of X plus 170 plus 59 plus 2 is equal to X. Simplify it yourself, you will get the value of X, and value of X will be 900. Now how you can save more time? How you can save more time in this? Don't write any of those steps if you want to save more time. And if you don't write more steps, how you can save time? Listen very carefully. These are all distinct elements. 75% are not in any of the clubs means 25% will be there in at least one club now. 100% total people, 75% किसी भी क्लब में नहीं है, मतलब एटलीस्ट वन क्लब में होने वाला पीपल का नंबर 25% होगा. दैट मीन्स द value sum of all these will be equal to 25%, you can directly say. So don't categorize it into groups, directly add it up. When you add it up, you will get 60 plus 40, 100, 180, 180 plus 30, 210, 210 plus 19, 200 and, okay, did I count it wrong? 40, 100, 180, 210, 219, you should get us, I think somewhere I have written it wrong, just let me check. Just a minute. Let me see whether I have written any values wrong. Okay, sorry. Actually, here there is a problem. Sorry, unlike previous question, in the previous question as they were telling rest is this part, it was clear. But here actually this 40 is, this is the ambiguity that can be created in some questions. 40 students are in both drama and dance means this total is 40. Otherwise you will not reach at the final value. So there is a correction. Listen carefully. There is a correction. So this is not 40, this is not 7, this is 12, this is not 12. Then instead what it is? So this third circle. So 40 students are in drama and dance means this full intersection is 40. In that this is 2. So definitely the remaining will be 40 minus 2. 38 will be drama and dance only people. Drama and dance only people will be 38. Similarly, 12 students both dance and math. Dance and math 12. This is 12. So this is only 10. Understanding? And 7 students are in dance, drama and math. So this is 7. 7 minus 2. This is 5. So that is the correction. Instead of 40, 12 and 7, it is 38, 10 and 5. Understanding that? Due to that, this number will change. 38 plus 10, 48 plus 5, this is only 53. This is only 53. Did you all understood that? Please respond. That is 53. And then you can simplify. Yeah, once you understood that, if you have understood that, then you can use a shortcut also. How you can use a shortcut? As I told, 75% is no club involving people. So 25% will be the sum of 60, 80, 30. That is 100, 170, 170 plus 38 plus 5 plus 10. 170 plus 50, 220, 225 you will get. When you add all these things, that is at least one club involving people. That 225 will be equal to what? 25% of X now. That is 220, 25% is 225 means 100% will be 4 times of it. Or mathematically simplify 25 by 100 X equal to 225, cross multiply it and simplify. 100% of X will be 900 and that is the answer. Please respond whether that confusion is clear now or not. Yeah, when I wrote it, yeah, previous question and this question, that confusion was there. Both the questions, the confusion was same. Hope you understood that confusion now. That is what I'm asking. Here, actually, you should be careful. According to the structure of sentence only, you can understand that. Here, both dance and drama means dance and drama only. In the previous question, both cricket and hockey meant hockey and cricket, not only hockey and cricket playing people. How we got to understand? Because question says rest of them. Rest of them told means definitely all the remaining are disjoint sets only. So that is how we can understand that difference. So yeah, actually that part, be careful, practice more question to get clarity on that. If that is clear, this is simple only. Okay, it is clear to all of you. Very good. So yes, Gautam. So here, yeah, when you add it up, you will understand. Otherwise, if that confusion is created, none of the options you will get. You will get a fractional value only. So there you will get clarity. Anyway, see more questions. So I will give you 3-4 practice questions, or if you want more practice questions from other exams, CSIR and other set exams, I will give you few questions. So try this, and tomorrow we will be continuing this with logical syllogism, where also Venn diagram is needed, but no numbers are there. Here the numbers are there. That is why it is little clumsy. But when numbers are not there, it is very interesting. So this is also easy only, but the numbers simplification part, you should be careful or you should be faster. So these questions, please try as homework, and few more practice questions if you want. Few questions asked in CSIR-NET exam also I will show. Post the video later and watch, you can try these questions. I will be uploading all these materials through the mobile application. As I told, due to health issues, last few days I could not update any of those things, but you will be getting all those materials through the mobile application. So stay tuned in the mobile application. You will get updates of all the things. And I'm planning for some analysis session after each of the GATE exam, so that your question paper analysis also will be done. So yeah, these questions we will discuss tomorrow, these kinds of questions. Okay, anyway, I'm concluding here. Hope all of you have hit the like button and subscribe the channel for further updates, and that will help this channel to grow more and reach to more and more people, because that is how the YouTube analytics works. More likes to a video, that video will be shown to more people. So make sure you have hit the like button and shared this to more and more people. So thank you all. Take care all of you. Have a good night. And tomorrow 11 AM calendar problem, there is a free class in the Unacademy platform. That's a completely free class in the Unacademy platform. In the description of this video, you can get the link for the Unacademy free platform classes of mine. 400 plus free classes I have already given. Tomorrow 11 AM there is a live class, and day after tomorrow I am planning to take the first set of CSIR-NET question paper analysis. CSIR-NET first exam was conducted yesterday. So that question paper analysis I am planning to conduct on day after tomorrow in the Unacademy free platform. That also you are welcome to attend. So this is the details of my Unacademy profile. You are welcome to be part of that also, or just download this mobile application or be part of any of this. You will get updates of my Unacademy free classes also there. And as I told in the beginning, Unacademy Plus course is starting from February 2nd. That also you can access, and today and tomorrow instead of 10% off, there is a 20% off in the Plus subscription if you use the referral code CC10 to access Unacademy Plus subscription. This Unacademy classes and my classes will go parallelly. You can check out my classes there also. There are also many free classes you can get for GATE exam, NET exam and other competitive exam. Thank you all. Take care all of you. Have a good night. Bye-bye.